Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the Little White Bird Traveler Hostel in Koh Kood, Thailand. This video is all about what you need to know before you book. Make sure to check out the link in the description or scan the QR code for the safest way to book your stay. The hostel is located on Koh Kood, known for its beautiful beaches and relaxed vibe. Expect to be near both beaches and local culture. This is a 2-star hotel, so manage your expectations regarding luxury. The hostel has 14 rooms in total. The description doesn't specify room sizes or views, so inquire about these details when booking if they are important to you. It's a traveler hostel, so expect basic accommodations. With only 14 rooms, the hostel may be quieter than larger establishments, but since we have no info about soundproofing, pack earplugs if you are a light sleeper. Being a 2-star hostel, the price is likely to be budget-friendly. Remember to factor in potential extra fees, as the policies may not be entirely flexible. It offers free breakfast and Wi-Fi, adding value. Breakfast is included, which is a big plus. Details about the breakfast itself are not provided in the input, so if you're a foodie, make sure to read more reviews. The hotel has a car park nearby. Public transport isn't mentioned, so research local transport options on Koh Kood, such as motorbike rentals or taxis, as the island is rather remote. Check-in is from 2 p.m., checkout is until 11 a.m., allowing for a relaxed morning. The child policy states that children are not allowed to stay free of charge and additional fees may apply. Check cancellation policies carefully when booking. The hostel is ideal for solo travelers or couples and friends. The hostel is perfect if you are looking for a basic stay in a tropical island. It's a great place to meet other travelers. The main pros are free breakfast, free Wi-Fi, and the location on Koh Kood. It's also close to beaches and local culture. The staff is trained in safety protocol. The specifics on room sizes, noise levels, and amenities are not given. Also, there's no elevator, and smoking is allowed in designated areas, which might be a concern for some. So there you have it, the essentials before booking the Little White Bird Traveler Hostel. If you're looking for a budget-friendly stay on a beautiful island, this could be a great choice. Don't forget to use the link in the description or scan the QR code for a safe and easy booking.